Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got back from my trip. It was crazy. I had no Wi-Fi in a couple of places, so that's why I wasn't able to upload. I'm back to the apartment. As you can see, I still have nowhere to sit, which if you guys don't know, I have a back surgery, so it hasn't been comfortable at all. Anyways, until I get chairs, I'll be filming in the floor, I guess. You can see the boxes around me. We still have nothing. No, I mean, we moved like, what, on the 22nd, I believe. And on the 28th, we went to Montana, we went to Wyoming. So the parks were Glacier National Park, we went to Yellowstone National Park, and we also went to, I forgot. The first one. Glacier, Yellowstone, and Grand Teton. There you go. We did a lot of hiking, we wanted to see a lot of animals, we did saw bears, we saw a pack of wolves howling and eating a bison, we saw a lot of bisons, elks, and eagles. The one animal I really wanted to see that I was not able to see was the moose. So, plus on the last day of the trip, which was in Glacier, it started to rain, and I just wish I could go again for sure. I'll really want to see some mooses, but we're so close to Canada also. And then we end up our trip to Vegas. My boyfriend, he was like the mind of it, because like he booked us a trip to Salt Lake City, and then from there we rented a car, and then we went to Grand Teton. It was an amazing road trip, guys. I really liked it. Again, there was a lot of places that I didn't have any Wi-Fi or data or anything, so we were completely miscommunicated, but I really enjoyed it. However, the last 5 days I spent it in Vegas. We were having fun. I won some, and I lost so much more. I don't like betting, but I saw a Monopoly machine, and I love Monopoly. So, and it had a dog. It had a cute little dog on it. So of course, me being me, I won a lot in the first trial, and then I was like, ooh, maybe could win more. And of course, that's how they get you. But whatever. I really had fun. However, my hair, it's not looking at its best. I don't know if you can see, but it's a little annoying. It's awful. My hair is disgusting. It's Vegas heat. It was up for like 104 to 100 every day. I also went to the pool, the sun, the walking in the street. I haven't washed it in like 5 days. So that's how you get. I haven't refreshed it in 5 days either, because like traveling for like what, 2 weeks almost, for 3 different weathers. It was insane. It was so insane. It was hard, and I didn't even have enough clothing. It started raining again. Oh God, it was cold, and it was super hot. It was really hard, guys. So I didn't really pack much for hair stuff, because I didn't even know what I was gonna need, because all the weathers were crazy. Anyways, but yeah. So this video, we are going to, by the way, I don't know if you noticed my lack of voice. Yes, I was laughing. But yeah, we're trying to, I have a lot of like gels that I bought that I've been wanting to review. And since I'm back in Atlanta, where it's the place of humidity, let me show you, give me a second. I have this bad boy right here. See? So, I first started with DevaCurl, however, it was a little bit too expensive for my budget. So a couple of months ago, I actually bought this bad boy from Ulta. By the way, excuse my lack of makeup. You guys know me already. I buy so much makeup, and I don't really even use it, because I'm lazy. I'm lazy. I haven't even showered yet, but hey, keeping it real. Anyways, I got this at Ulta when they had like their hair 50% sale going on. I got this, and I got another product that I'm also looking forward to review for you guys, because honestly, $32 for a mask is a little bit too much on my budget. Honestly, it's just like, heck, I don't even do my nails. It's just a little too much. But I've seen so many reviews of DevaCurl line. And even though a lot of the girls that I've seen the reviews are like ambassadors from DevaCurl, there's a couple of influencers out there, even if they are being sponsored or not, they still talk about the products as it is. So I decided to just give it a try. I mean, it was half off, so I was like, if it's not now, then it's never, right? So since my hair is lacking so much, I already know it's dry, but it also like lacks a lot of protein too, because of course it's color treated. I'm gonna try this and see how it goes. Okay, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna do my normal routine. I'm gonna wash it as I do, but I'm gonna put this bad boy for. It says, after cleansing, thoroughly saturate the hair. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse. For best results, slip on a plastic cap and apply heat or cover with DevaCurl towel to create body heat. Use once per week or as needed. Okay, I'm just gonna use it because I don't have any heat towel, heat cap, anything. I'm gonna use it for 20 minutes and see what happens. So I just took a quick shower, I washed my hair and shampooed, and I figured why not show you guys how I use it. The amounts I actually use, let's see, yeah. How much? I'm just gonna use it like the other. It says, okay, it says saturated. I'm taking, let's see, this amount. Let's just start to do it for half of hair. Oh my god, my hair is so tangled. I need to get one of those detanglers. If you guys have any recommendations, please let me know. Now just smother it and smother it. Now I'm just gonna, oh god. Yeah, my hair is so tangled, guys. Sorry if one of my chichis pop out, but I want to do keep it as real as possible. And ooh. Cut. Okay, I should have done this before, but it smells, I don't think it smells very pleasant, to be honest. It smells like, how do you say that? Like, how do you say it in English? When your body cream expires, yeah, it smells like expired body cream. That one smelled like, I don't know, aloe vera or something. So far, not fun of the smell. Then again, it's not like you're gonna eat it, so if it works, I don't really give a shit. I don't really give a about the smell. Yeah, so let's start here. And keep smothering, keep smothering, keep smothering. Now, I personally, the only time I comb my hair is in the shower when it's wet, because I feel like it's easier with product rather than doing it before the shower like I used to do before. So there we go. So now it's smothered. Yeah, you can see the white pieces of it. Now it's smothered, and I'm just gonna listen to you. Yeah, it's so easy. Guys, this is really tangled. I don't know if you can see it, but all that's just a clustered mess. So I'm just gonna like slowly, see, and easy, just detangle my mane. Ta-da! Okay guys, it took me a long time and a lot of patience, but finally my hair is completely tangled. I even put on a bath rub so to prevent accidents. Let's see, oh, I missed a little bit right here. Okay, and it's completely smothered. Trust me when I say it's smothered. I think I used half a jar basically because my hair grew so fast. Like, I think it's time to do another haircut video. Maybe we should try double unicorn this time. Summer in Atlanta. So yeah, I'm trying to. And your girl can sweat like a pig. I'm gonna put in a little bun. My hand fingers. I'm gonna wait till it says from 15 to 20. Since I don't have any heated cap or anything, I'm just gonna do 30 minutes. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna wash it up, obviously. Then I'll just put some conditioner on. then some leave-in conditioner, then some gel, and you already know the drill. But yeah, I'll show you guys the result once it's dry in like 20 hours. Ta-da! Okay guys, this is the result. As you can see, I didn't do my makeup for this reveal because I'm lazy. But let me see, this is what happened. Honestly, I'm not that impressed. I mean, it's better than before for sure, but it's nothing, you know, it's not worth $38 or $36. I don't remember how much this is. I am very disappointed. Like, there's products that are really, you know, like, they're worth splurging a little bit more. But honestly, I believe that there are other products out there that you can get the same, if not better results than guess what? I mean, I'm still gonna use it, I guess, just because I have to finish it because I spend money on it. But I'm not gonna repurchase this. So I don't know. I'm not a fan. Yeah, this is a deep sea repair seaweed strengthening mask. My hair honestly has been better with other ones, but I'm happy I tried it though. Again, there are products that are worth the splurge, and this one was a big pass on it. It's like, I think I can get like 4 masks from the other brands instead of one of this one. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, comment down below what other videos would you want me to do. And I need to get out of the bathroom soon because my boyfriend is gonna jump in the shower. We just came from a basketball game where he lost, like always. I'm kidding, where he lost. Usually they're pretty good. Yeah, where he lost. So he needs to use the bathroom because he's stinky and sweaty. Anyways, I have a couple other products that I want to review for you guys. I'm trying to see because like I've seen it, and I mean, it's this curl right here. Like, it's not bad. It's not amazing. You know, it's not 30. I don't even remember how much. $36 amazing. I was expecting it to, but that's that. Okay guys, I'm so tired. I still haven't recovered from that flight from Vegas, the red-eye flight. I'm still like, oh, but I really wanted to take a video for you guys. Plus, I damaged my camera in one of the mountains, or my lens scratched. So every time I open my camera, or I use a zoom, or I just open it for some reason, like the lens starts to make like a really squishy sound. So I needed to use the camera because it was like, oh, it's not sounding right now. So I need to film for you guys. But thank you so much for watching. That's pretty much it. If this works for you, please let me know. Okay, bye. Did I just blow a kiss?